guitar is like a guitar like this. Guitarra. Pronounce it. Guitarra. Guitarra. Ano? Okay. Put your guitar together. Yeah, like that, you know? This is how you play. Do that first. Two hands. You don't do that. Boy. You okay, buddy? Oh, you're topping up. That's good. I'm gonna sing a song with you. You listen to me and to your sister. Flip it over like this. Come on. Like that. Oh, yeah. There. Okay. Do this. Good. Letter A. When you put your letter A like this. Letter A like this, and there you go. Put it right. You don't flap. Look at me like this. Letter A. You see that? Letter A. A. Yeah. Yeah. Now you know. What? Don't you believe me? I'm your daddy. I know how to play guitar.